Hello, the Tuckful here, and today we're going to be unboxing the HomefunTime external DVD CD drive, which says to have USB 3.0, will work with Windows and Mac OS, and it's supposed to be plug and play. So, let's test it out. We've got a pretty nice looking box. We got that USB 3.0, USB 2.0 transmission of 5 gigabytes per second, USB 3.0 transmission standard backward compatible with USB 2.0. Got some warning: internal laser light can be harmful to the eyes, face. Please don't open. Do not keep the machine in nearby strong magnetic objects. You got blah blah blah. Probably the data line interface. You know, you got the basic stuff. You got the QR code for it on Amazon, made in China. Got the pop-up mobile. Pretty nice packaging, if I say so myself. So then we take that off. Got the manual. Product is tray loading external portable ODD caddy, which is suitable for use to USB. Do extra support plug and play. The cap. So you've got your little instructions. ODD and HDD device. Got a nice little cable. Got a nice feeling build quality. Feels nice and strong. And over here you've got DVD, RW DVD plus rewritable and compact disc. That's in. Okay. So I have a PC here. Let's test it out. Okay, so we've got the computer open. You can see the little USB 3.0 in blue. Just take it. Let's plug it. It has a pretty short cable, I've got to say. Is it expandable? Nope. So let's plug it in. Got it plugged in. So, let's take the first disc, click on the little button. No response, it's not lighting up. Why is that? Oh, there it goes. Then it's registering it. Have a little light, a little noise. Then we see on my computer. Oh, that gets pretty loud. It's registered the Celestron. Okay, that's not this guy's fault. Celestron is 32-bit, I guess. Okay. But as I can see, it's registered. It's making some noise as it's getting it to work. It's calmed down after doing the first starting up process. Still see it, and it's registered the size and everything. So, from what I can tell, this is a pretty darn good drive for 22 bucks. It looks nice. Has a decent, good build quality, a good unboxing. Good unboxing experience, and seems to work. So for now, I think this is a good product and I recommend it.